Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo Earth sign. This is mid-month reading August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Virgo, let's see your feelings towards your person. Your feelings towards your person. And this side, your person feelings towards you. Okay, let's see your feelings towards your person first. Two of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Knight of Cups and Five of Cups. And your person feelings, the Chariot, Ace of Cups, Death, Four of Wands. Wow. I think you are juggling between two things, Virgo, because Two of Pentacles, Five of Cups, I think you are feeling sad for something in your life. But things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here and Knight of Cups. Yes, you want to offer this cup of love to your person. But you are very slow because you are juggling between two things. And your person feelings towards you, they want to take this relationship to next level. Your person could be Cancer or Scorpio or Pisces. Cancer, Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely your person loves you and they want this happiness with you. Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames also. And your person is also undergo some transformation. Death is here. So you also want to offer this cup of love to your person, but you are very slow. I think right now you are not decided to offer this love to your person, but in near future you will decide, because right now you're in the mid-month of August you will be in this mode juggling. Then you will decide to offer this cup of love to your person. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Wow, new beginnings, Ace of Wands. Okay. Justice, yes. Reconciliation. Libra, your person could be or you could be. Definitely there will, who are in separation, there will be a chance for reconciliation. Because the mutual energy is Ace of Wands and Justice. So let's see some more about your relationship from universe. Some more cards. Queen of Pentacles. Control, yes. Some controlling issues. King of Swords. Politics. Some manipulation, some mind games in this connection. That's why there is separation in past. I think one person is playing mind games or telling lies. False communication or miscommunication between both of you. Clinging to the past. Yes, this person is also feeling sad for the past, for the separation. Creativity, Emperor. Stress, Seven of Wands. But you both don't want to give up on this connection, Seven of Wands, even if it is stress or if there are obstacles in the connection. But you both want this connection and you both sad without each other because you both have Five of Cups. So I think some controlling issues. One person is controlling the whole situation. One person is very dominative in this connection. And creativity, I think it's you. Creativity in Empress mode. You stand by your power, Virgo. So definitely there is a chance for new beginning with you, but some mind games should be ended between both of you. You both have to true with each other. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.